In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your OneNote tabs from vertical to horizontal. This is a simple adjustment that can make a big difference in how you navigate your notes, especially if you prefer a more traditional layout with tabs displayed across the top of your screen. To get started, open your OneNote application and make sure your notebook is fully loaded. Once you're inside, take a look at how your sections are currently displayed. If they appear on the left side in a vertical list, that means your layout is set to vertical tabs. To change this, direct your attention to the top of the OneNote window. Look for the View tab. Then, from there, find the Tabs Layout section, depending on your version of the app. Within this area, you should see an option that controls how your tabs are displayed. Look for a setting related to tab layout or navigation style. Once you find it, switch the layout from vertical tabs to horizontal tabs. As soon as you apply this change, your sections will move from the side of the screen to the top, giving you a more classic tabbed interface. This layout can be especially helpful if you're used to older versions of OneNote or prefer seeing your sections lined up across the top for quicker access. It can also make your workspace feel more compact and familiar, depending on your workflow. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure your OneNote app is updated to the latest version, as some features may vary depending on the version you're using. After making the change, take a moment to explore your notebook and get comfortable with the new layout. You should now be able to switch between sections using the tabs at the top of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully changed your OneNote tabs from vertical to horizontal, making your navigation more aligned with your personal preference. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.